Hi guys, welcome to Second Opinion. I'm Mika and today we'll unbox and have a quick look at Vivo's latest entry-level contender, the Vivo Y16. We all love going to places and taking photos wherever you go because fix or it didn't happen, right? In line with this, Vivo puts the spotlight on memory. First, let's get the price out of the way.
One variant is currently available, the 4+1 28GB worth $8,499. It comes with a USB-C cable, 10-watt power adapter, quick start guide, warranty card, and SIM ejector tool.
Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a protective case, so if you're clumsy, you might want to be careful.
Going back to the phone, you'll find a USB-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack, speakers, and microphone. On the right are the volume rocker and power button that conveniently works as a fingerprint scanner too. And finally, the SIM tray is found on top. You can insert 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD.
As expected from an entry-level smartphone, it's made out of plastic. But the good thing is, it actually feels and looks premium. Look at that. The color selections are very trendy. The one I have here is in drizzling gold, and the other option is in stellar black. Since it has a matte finish, you don't have to worry about fingerprint marks.
The subtle gold raised design adds to the personality of the Y16.
You'll notice that Vivo's headed towards the trendy road when it comes to the designs of their smartphones, as seen on the newly launched Y35 as well.
Feels lightweight, weighing only 183 grams and measuring 8.9mm thick. The boxy design makes it easy to grip, while the slight curvature at the edges adds to the comfort.
As for the display, it has a 6.51-inch Halo Full View LCD display with eye protection. For a budget phone, it's not bad at all.
In fact, at first glance, you'll notice the display exhibits good color accuracy, which will excite those who like to binge watch series. My only concern is that Vivo still went for the water drop notch, which is kinda outdated.
On the rear, you'll be surprised by the large-looking sensors. It's actually a good facade given that it seems to be a trend these days.
Anyway, the Y16 has a dual camera system that consists of a 13-megapixel main camera and 2-megapixel macro camera, while in front is the 5-megapixel selfie camera. Not really one of its wow factors on paper, but we'll give it a shot in real-life scenarios.
During my brief time with the Y16, from simply setting it up, downloading apps, it worked pretty okay. For multitasking and gaming, that will be reserved for a full review.
It runs on 4+1GB extended RAM, and it's powered by the MediaTek Helio P35. It also receives a boost from the Multi-Turbo 5.5 to reduce lags while gaming. One of the things to look forward to, especially for its price point, is the 128GB storage, which can be expanded up to 1TB. That gives us so much room to store as many photos and videos and download as many apps. A 10-watt fast charger might not be its strongest suit, but at least it comes with a large 5000 mAh battery that'll surely last you from morning till night.
For now, what makes the Y16 stand out is its premium design that can surely match your aesthetics. And since memory is priceless, the generous 128GB storage is a major treat given its price point. This is paired up with a 5000 mAh battery so you can maximize the use of your phone for both work and leisure. We hope you enjoyed our quick getting to know session with the Vivo Y16. Stay tuned for a full review.